Let's dive right into this explainer on the ultimate tool for digitizing your world, OCR Text Scanner. It effortlessly turns your printed text into digital, editable, and even spoken words. Right on the home screen, you'll see just how incredibly easy this app is to navigate. You can easily build nested subfolders to keep all your scans perfectly organized. Just tap the camera, dial in your zoom, and easily capture single pages or entire batches. Drag the corners to perfectly crop your scan, and it automatically straightens out any weird angles. Got photos already? Just import them straight from your gallery and easily trim them up. Instantly boost readability using quick presets like black and white, document, or lighten. The incredibly powerful on-device OCR supports tons of languages in scripts at once. Yep, even Malayalam. Tap any scan, and bam! The recognized text pops up right alongside it for easy editing. But what if you need to translate this English text? Don't worry, the app has you covered. You can download translation models right inside the app, keeping everything safely on your device. Boom! Instantly convert that text into Hindi or any other language without ever leaving the app.
Rather listen, it automatically detects the language and reads your text aloud. It sounds great.
You can even export that text-to-speech narration as an audio file for listening on the go. Now, privacy is absolutely crucial. Secure your sensitive scans using your fingerprint or a PIN. You can even lock down specific folders using a custom vault password for extra security. With that, your most important personal documents are safely encrypted and totally locked away. Finally, just rename and manage all your files right from this super clean interface. Scan, translate, listen, and organize. It's literally everything you need in one incredibly powerful app. So, with your documents finally secure and digitized, I gotta ask, what will you scan first?